Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fortnite Save the World video. This is a quick video about the new power system we got with Chapter 7 update. A lot of people still confused and don't know how it works. Plus it's a bit buggy right now, and shows lower power levels sometimes. I got this bug last night. After finishing a mission, my power level dropped from 144 to 96. Which is huge. Even I wasn't able to load in 160 missions anymore. I changed my loadout, checked my inventory, survivor squads, rejoined Save the World, everything, and it didn't work. The only fix was restarting my game, and it went back again to 144. Now let's see what is going on with all these power level changes. Before Chapter 7 update, we needed only two things to increase and max out power level. First, your survivors squads. Having matching squads matching each other's and the leaders was the main way to increase your power level, and your stats as I explained in this video. Supercharging the survivors as well. This one's still the same, survivors have a huge impact on your power level. Second, the research tab. We used to have this tab to progress in increasing our power level and stats. Wasn't that huge to boost the power level as survivor squads, but still. I already explained that system in detail in this video, but we don't have it anymore. Instead, it's now combined with your commander level, the one you see here on top right. So, by progressing and playing the game, you gain XP to increase your commander level. And now, it leads to increase your power level. And I tested it myself. My alt account was power level 50 or something before the update, but with commander level 244. Now it's above 60 after the update. Seems like commander level is important now. But don't worry, this one may take some time to max, but you don't have to do specific thing to max it. Just playing anything in the game will give you XP to level up. Of course, some missions give more than the others, but the concept is the same. For the best way to level up fast, for me, it's AFK endurance. Since you don't have to do anything. You start it, go AFK watching anything, working, or even playing other games if your PC can handle that. Then, come back later and collect your rewards. 2.5 hours for a mission is long, I know, but at least it's AFK. Some people may still be confused, why my power level's still lower than before. Even I have max commander level, 310, max survivor squads, all supercharged, you won't be able to reach max power level all the time, because of the new two variants that affect the power level now. Like as you see here, I have max survivor squads all supercharged, and max commander level, and my power level is 134, not 145 like it used to be. Costed me 320 survivors superchargers, which a lot. If you can't imagine how a lot is that, do this quick math. We get 17 supercharger per venture season, every season lasts around 3 months, now calculate that. And that what is annoying a lot of people right now. It's not a huge impact, Twine should be easier now, if it's not a bug, maybe, but people spent years for that, it's not just about numbers. So, what are these two variants? Your loadout, and the weapons in your inventory. Note that I have 3 level 130 weapons in my inventory, and using level 130 heroes in my loadout. I will explain everything, don't worry. Because the level of all of them, the weapons and the heroes will affect your power level. So, I used power level 130 as the baseline. Now, this is a full loadout with level 130 heroes, and as you see, my power level is 134. Now when I change the commander to a 144 hero, it goes to 138. And when I use full 144 heroes in the support, it goes to 139. So, supercharging the support team doesn't have a huge boost here like the commander. Note that I'm using level 130 heroes for the support team. So, low-level heroes will lower your power level. That's why your power level keeps going up and down when you keep changing your loadout. The second variant is, weapons in your backpack, the 3 with the highest power level. Which is weird. Maybe if they made it with the schematics, we would be okay with it. Now when I have 3 144 weapons in my inventory, higher than the 130 I already have, my power level went to 144, from 139, which is a lot. Only one power level from 138 to 139 when you use 25 hero superchargers to max your support team. And 5 power levels by using 3 144 weapons in your inventory, even if they are the same. So, you can have only one weapon schematic supercharged to 144, and you will be able to boost your power level way higher than using fully supercharged loadout. Same here as the heroes, if you are using weapons level lower than 130, your power level will be lower. A lot of numbers I know, so I will try to summarize everything. Note that these are quick estimations. When I say from 138 to 139 for example, it may be more or less than one power level, depending on the bar progress under your power level. I'm just giving you the main way to boost your power level. So, fully maxed survivor squads with superchargers, and max level 310, with full 130 loadout, level 130 weapons in your inventory, your power level will be 134. With lower level heroes, weapons in your inventory, survivors, or commander level, your power level will be lower. That's why the power level for a lot of people went down a lot after the update, because of all these factors affecting it right now. Now you want to boost that. By supercharging the commander, it goes from power level 134 to 138. Without supercharging any heroes in the support and using 3 144 weapons in your inventory, it goes to 142. In my opinion, this is the order I would take. Supercharging one weapon is easier than 5 heroes. You can have 3 weapons setting in your inventory boosting your power level all the time. But the 5 heroes will take your power level only from 138 to 139, only if you are using them. We always use different loadouts depending on the mission we are playing. So, you spend 25 hero superchargers, and you won't get their benefits all the time. But with the weapons, it's there all the time. Of course supercharger your heroes, but priorities the commanders first, then the support heroes you use the most. Like the ones that you use for more than one loadout. For example, I use constructors a lot, so I supercharged the ones I use the most. So, if I'm not using them as commanders, they are boosting my other constructor loadouts in the support. I know that this may still be confusing for some people. Believe me, it's simple, you just need to get used to it. Try with your account, change some things here and there and see how it goes. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, I will try to check them all. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to use code Larsis in the item shop and Epic Games Store if you want to support me, helps me a lot. As always, big thanks for all the channel members, super chat on the stream, everyone uses my creator code, and all the support, really appreciate it. Like, subscribe if you are enjoying the content, so YouTube algorithm will suggest the video for more people. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, see you in the next one.